What's poppin', y'all? Halsey, SUGA, Lilith, Diablo 4 Anthem. Now, when I heard about this, I was like, ooh. First of all, it's been a minute since I played Diablo. I played Diablo 1 and Diablo 2 growing up. I skipped Diablo 3 because I wasn't into it, and I'm trying Diablo 4. Actually, I played a little bit on Twitch, which you guys might see me play today, actually, after I check out Stray Kids first. The game itself, I'm having fun. I don't know how you guys feel, but I've been having fun. Pretty gory. It's hella gory. I forgot how. I don't know if Diablo 1 or 2 was that gory as well. Probably. If I can't remember. It's been so long, but been having a fun time playing it on stream. So if you haven't already followed my Twitch, please do follow it. Lilith by Halsey and SUGA, which is, dang, that's kind of crazy. Anyways, while I clutch my cross and my pearls, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Be sure to follow Dre Day. Go subscribe to my new channel. I'm gonna have a exclusive interview with BM from Card over there. It already has happened on Twitch. It was a live one, which is pretty unexpected, but it's probably gonna be uploaded on Dre Day, so go subscribe because there's gonna be more stuff gonna be uploaded there too. Also, highlights from the Mamamoo concert is gonna be uploaded there, so go subscribe to Dre Day right now. But Halsey, SUGA, Lilith, Diablo 4 Anthem, let's go. I don't think I. True, speak facts. That's true. The more that you have, the more that they take. Real talk, real talk. Oh, what's up, Halsey? Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, bars? It's been a minute since I heard Halsey's voice. It's really nice. Ooh, get your shit. Oh, is she Lilith? Where's the rose petals, if there is one? Ooh, oh, batty tings, the armor. That'd be crazy if that's, oh. Oh, I got chills, what the hell? Whoa. Oh, you good? Oh, she don't care. Batty tings. Ooh. What happened here? Bro, I'm like literally watching a movie. Sorry if I'm not even talking. Ooh, werewolf. Ooh, I'm a druid. I play as a druid. Oh, damn, look at all this. Damn. She enjoys it? What the hell? Damn, okay, cheekbones. Okay, miss. Oh, is that Yoongi? Coming from the clouds? Oh, shit! Oh, all English, let's go. Yeah, you noticed. Oh, she's still walking. The negativity, hatred, and insanity. Ooh. Ooh. You returned to hell. Let's go. Damn, she looks good. Ooh. Yoongi though. I wonder what Yoongi's really wearing. They didn't really show it. It's like a rope. It's all foggy. I want to see more of him. Oh, girl, you getting messed up through your journey. Have I noticed? Yes. Oh. Oh. See? Yeah, in the game, there's blood rose petals. It's a symbolism of Lilith, I think. Excuse me. Oh. Kneeling? Oh. It's her. Ooh, it is her. Ooh. Hold up. Halsey killed it. I need to check out SUGA's one more time. Cause we all saw him like stepping in. Ooh. All on that red. Hey. Damn. We just fucked things up. Ooh. Oh, we need more English with Yoongi. Let's go. Up in the moment. If I show it. If I notice. Have you noticed? Hey. Hey. Put the comments down below what you guys think of this anthem. Actually, it's kind of interesting. It has a retro background beat too. Halsey kills it. I think Halsey really kills it in this one. Obviously, she has her own verse and is the chorus, but Yoongi has his verse too, dropping them English bars, and also joins Halsey at the end too. So it's really nice. It's really short and sweet. It feels short. It's 3 minutes. But it feels short. What do you guys think? Put the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Again, guys, subscribe to Dre Day. Link in the description. There's going to be more content over there. And see you guys to the next video. Yeah? Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.